Today lesson we're going to talk about the process. Okay, so this is the process and this is the topic that we talk about today. The flowchart below shows the 3 stages of glass bottle recycling. Okay, this is the structure that we use. For introduction, the diagram illustrates the process of something. For overview, overall there are, you can say, like 3, 5, 6 steps in the process, begin with and ending with. Okay, body 1 in the first stage of the process. After that, next. Body 2 in the next stage of the process. Following this, then. This structure will save you a lot of time and give you more points. And actually, it's very easy to remember. Okay, so now we continue. To write the introduction, all you have to do is say the diagram illustrates the process of recycling glass bottles. Okay, recycling glass bottle recycling. You can say recycling glass bottle. Next, we move on to overall. Actually, overall is still very easy. So you can see there's like 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 main stages in the process. Begin with the collection of waste glass bottles and ending with delivery of new bottle. Okay, so that is the overall. And for the body 1, body 2 layout, actually you can just spend like few minutes, 5 minutes to look at the picture and then just outline couple of sentences that you're going to write. Okay, for example, in body 1, just write about old bottle collected to the collected points, then transport to factory to be processed. That is the body 1. Just stage 1. Okay, so body 2, old bottle get washed under high pressure water, then sort by color, break down into pieces, burn in the furnace, and mix with new liquid glasses, make new bottles, and fill with liquids, box, and transport to the supermarket. So this is the outline for body 1, body 2. Okay, so now we go into write the body 1. You can start with, in the first stage of the process, where glass bottles are collected at the collected point. After that, they are transported by a truck to a glass treatment plant where they undergo further processing. So now we continue. You can see in the next stage of the process, the glass bottles are washed by high pressure water to remove any impurities. Okay, you can say something like this, or you can say just wash by high pressure water. It's okay. And following this, they are sorted by color into brown, green, and clear bottles. Okay, so by color here. Then they are crushed into pieces and heated at a high temperature in a furnace to create molten glasses. Okay, crushed into pieces, burn. Then this molten glass is mixed with new liquid glass and molded into new bottles. Okay, after burning, mixed with new liquid glass and mold into bottles. Or you can say some and make into new bottle. It's okay. And then the bottles are full with liquid packed and delivered to the supermarket and ready for sale. So this is the entire essay. So all you have to do is just write this down, read this a couple of times so that you understand the structure that's with you. Hello, welcome to Easy IELTS, and this is lesson number 12. Okay, and this is we look at the process again, but this is a natural process. Again, this is the structures that we use. The introduction, overview, body 1, body 2. Okay, look at it, the structure, very easy, very simple to remember. Okay, so for the introduction, you can see the diagram illustrates different stages in the life of a honeybee. Okay, so overall there's, okay, you have like 1 stage, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So overall, there are 5 main stages in the development of the honeybee, from egg to mature adult insects. Okay. The complete life cycle lasts between 34 to 36 days. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now we go into outline our body 1, body 2. Okay, for body 1, we can talk about the first 2 stages, and body 2, we talk about the remaining stages. Okay, body 1, we talk about lay egg over 3 days. Okay, lay egg this day and take to 9 to 10 days, hatch into a nymph. Okay. Into a nymph, and body 2, a nymph roll molt 3 times. Okay, 5 days, 7 days, 9 days, and the nymph become young adults, and 4 days later, young adults become mature. Okay, so now we start writing body 1. You're talking about laying egg over 3 days. And after 10 days, hatch into nymph. Just to begin with, in the first day of the life cycle, the female honeybees lay 1 or 2 eggs every 3 days. Between 9 and 10 days later, each egg hatches into nymphs. Okay, we continue to the body 2. In the next, it's supposed to be next. In the next day of life cycle, the nymph experience some physical changes. Okay, you can add these, but actually you don't have to. Okay, it grows quickly in size and shed its skin 3 times. Okay, first, this molting takes place 5 days after the egg hatch, then 7 days later, and again another 9 days later. After molting stages, the nymph develops into young honeybees. Okay, so in the following 4 days, it reaches full maturity and the life cycle starts again. Sorry for the typo over here, but it's like midnight over here, so I'm pretty tired and didn't have time to correct it. So, but it's okay. So this is the entire essay. So once again, to write this down, read it a couple of times so that you understand the way that I write the introduction, overall, body 1 and body 2. Remember this structure that I showed you. It will save you a lot of time and you get more points. Okay, so see you again next lesson.